Hello all, so now you've had a chance to figure out what is the main idea of the passage. Let's look at the answer choices. So for our first answer choice, on a beach in North Carolina, the Wright brothers created a plane that took off and landed 4 separate times in one day. Okay, it does tell us generally what happened. The Wright brothers designed and flew a successful power machine that took off and landed under its own power before sadly being destroyed by poor weather conditions. This one has that piece at the end, which is helpful. First power plane that flew more than 50 seconds was destroyed by powerful winds. This only has information from the end, so we know it cannot be the last choice. Between the first two choices, this one is also missing that end piece, and so it did take off separate times, but then we see that it not only took off, it landed, and then it was destroyed. So the correct answer is this one.